Dear faculty and students, I am Professor Eduardo Salcedo, Learning Outcomes Committee Chair. As a member of the Miami-Dade College community, you are aware of the college's commitment to providing a high-quality education that prepares our students for success in their academic and professional pursuits. One important aspect of this commitment is our college-wide student learning outcomes. These outcomes were first established in the college in the year 2007 and have undergone continuous improvements over the years to ensure that they align with the current trends and demands of the academic and professional fields. The learning outcomes are a set of skills and abilities that we expect all of our students to develop during their time at MDC. They include critical thinking and problem solving, communication, information literacy, and personal responsibility. These are essential skills for success in any field, and they are especially important for students who plan to pursue higher education or enter the workforce. To measure the students' progress and achievement of these learning outcomes, Miami-Dade College has implemented the College Student Learning Outcomes Assessment. This assessment is a means of measuring student learning within the college, and it is designed to provide feedback on students' progress towards the learning outcomes. With the Learning Outcomes Assessment, we can ensure that our students are making progress towards their academic and professional goals and evaluate the effectiveness of our teaching and learning strategies. As a faculty member, it is important that you are aware of the learning outcomes and their assessment, and that you incorporate them into your curriculum and instruction. This will help ensure that our students are well prepared for success in their academic and professional pursuits. As a student, it's important that you understand the learning outcomes and that you take an active role in developing these skills. These may involve seeking the opportunities and engaging in critical thinking and problem solving, practicing effective communication, and developing information literacy skills. It is also important to participate in the learning outcomes assessment and take it seriously, as it's an essential feedback mechanism for your academic progress. To conclude, the learning outcomes are a vital aspect of MDC's commitment to providing a high-quality education for our students. We encourage both faculty and students to take an active role in developing and achieving these outcomes. We would like to invite adjunct faculty to the Learning Outcomes Committee, where you can help drive initiatives regarding the college-wide student learning outcomes. Together, we can ensure that our students are well prepared for the challenges of the 21st century and achieve their academic and professional goals. On behalf of the College Learning Outcomes Committee, I thank you and wish you a successful academic year.